Do you know when to use in, on, or at? Let's find out with quick quizzes. Welcome back to the English Language Key. Today we will master prepositions of time. You will learn fast with fun quizzes and visuals. Ready? Let's go. My birthday is on April 15th. We use on for specific dates and days. The bus arrives at 7 o'clock. It is used for exact times. I love going skiing in December. Use in for months, years, and longer periods. She jogs in the morning. Use in with part of the day like morning, afternoon, and evening. They celebrated at midnight. Use at for a specific moment like noon, midnight, and clock times. I have a meeting on Monday. On is used for specific days of the week. I was born in 1995. In is used with years and centuries. We usually eat dinner at night. At night is an exception. Always use at night. I relax at the weekend. Use at with a special period like the weekend. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Next we will master tricky preposition used with direction. Keep in mind, hit like and subscribe. See you.